The billionaire laughed when a single dad was told to quit, until he started packing the entire office, watched in stunned silence as a hard-working single father was told to clear his desk before sunset. At the far end of the executive floor, a billionaire let out a quiet laugh, convinced the exhausted employee would beg for another chance. Instead, the father calmly opened an old cardboard box and began packing every photo, notebook, and worn-out coffee mug with steady hands. No one realized that those simple movements would uncover a truth capable of changing every life in that building forever. Before we continue, if you believe kindness is never weakness and everyone deserves a second chance, please like this video, leave a comment, share it with someone who believes in hope, and subscribe to CEO Secret Stories for more emotional stories that remind us what truly matters. Ethan Carter had spent 12 years working at one of the country's largest logistics companies. Every morning before sunrise, he prepared breakfast for his 8-year-old daughter, Lily, braided her hair as best as he could, and walked her to the school bus before rushing to work. Since losing his wife to a sudden illness 4 years earlier, every responsibility rested on his shoulders. His days were filled with impossible deadlines, sleepless nights, unpaid bills, and the constant fear that one mistake could destroy the only stable life his daughter had left. The company had recently been purchased by billionaire investor Victor Hale, a man famous for building billion-dollar empires through ruthless decisions. He believed emotions had no place in business. Employees were numbers, performance charts, and quarterly reports. When executives complained that Ethan had become distracted because of family responsibilities, Victor never bothered to investigate. He simply approved the recommendation to remove him. Watching from the glass conference room as Ethan received the termination notice, Victor smiled confidently, expecting another desperate employee to plead for mercy. But Ethan did something no one expected. He quietly thanked the human resources manager, returned his company phone, and began carefully packing his belongings. Every item carried a memory: a faded drawing made by Lily during first grade, a cracked coffee mug given to him by coworkers after his wife's funeral, a notebook filled with handwritten solutions that had saved millions of dollars in transportation costs over the years. He wasn't packing with anger, he was packing with dignity. That quiet strength slowly made several employees lower their eyes in shame. As Ethan removed the final folder from his desk, an elderly maintenance worker paused nearby. He remembered every evening Ethan stayed late, helping new employees without asking for recognition. He remembered Ethan buying groceries for struggling co-workers and quietly paying medical bills for a security guard's son. Word spread through the building faster than any company email. People began realizing they were watching the departure of the one employee who had held the workplace together through kindness rather than authority. One senior operations director, unable to ignore his conscience any longer, walked into Victor's office carrying years of hidden reports. Those files revealed that nearly every major efficiency improvement credited to expensive consulting firms had actually been created by Ethan. His ideas had saved the company hundreds of millions of dollars, while others collected awards, promotions, and bonuses. Ethan had never complained because he believed doing the right thing mattered more than receiving applause. Victor's confidence slowly disappeared. He rushed downstairs, only to find Ethan placing the final box into the trunk of his aging car. Looking beyond the employee for the first time, Victor noticed a little girl sitting patiently in the passenger seat, smiling proudly at her father, despite not knowing what tomorrow would bring. The billionaire suddenly understood that the man standing before him wasn't weak because he accepted hardship. He was incredibly strong because he refused to sacrifice his character, even when life gave him every reason to become bitter. The board immediately launched an internal investigation. Several executives who had taken credit for Ethan's work were dismissed. Victor personally offered Ethan a far better position, with complete flexibility to care for Lily. But something inside Ethan had already changed. Months later, he accepted only after receiving written guarantees protecting working parents throughout the company. New family leave policies, childcare support, and fair recognition programs transformed the workplace, helping thousands of employees who had silently struggled just as Ethan once had. Years later, the company became known not only for record-breaking profits, but also for treating people with dignity. Victor often admitted that the greatest business lesson of his life came from watching a single father quietly pack a cardboard box without losing his self-respect. Sometimes true leadership isn't found in boardrooms or billion-dollar deals. Sometimes it is found in the silent courage of someone who refuses to abandon kindness, even when the world laughs at them. If this story touched your heart, please write "Kindness always wins" in the comments below, and let others know that compassion is stronger than pride. And before you leave, if this story inspired you or reminded you of someone who never gave up, please like this video, share it with your friends and family. Leave your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to CEO Secret Stories. Your support helps us continue bringing emotional stories that inspire hope, courage, and second chances.